Do you want to use the Get Help app in Windows 11? Then you are at the right place, as here we will show you how to use the app. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. One new feature that Microsoft has added in Windows 11 is a safety net for users who fail to find any help they need. Users can now contact, phone or chat with Microsoft Answer Tech support team using Get Help. Earlier, call the Contact Support app in Windows 11 or 10 to solve problems regarding Windows, Edge, OneDrive, Microsoft Office, Microsoft 365, Xbox, Bing, Microsoft account, etc. You can chat online or schedule a call. This video will also show you how to run troubleshooters in Get Help app of Windows 11 or 10. Let's get started. Method: how to use Get Help app in Windows 11 or 10. First, you will have to make sure that you are signed in using your Microsoft account. Once you have ensured this, you will be greeted by the Microsoft Virtual Agent. Describe your issue in the reply box and you will be offered a solution which you can try and see if it helps you resolve your issue. You then have the option of giving feedback on whether the solution helped you or not by choosing yes or no. If you reply no, you will be offered additional suggestions. The Get Help is truly helpful as it can help you solve several Windows problems, from activation issues to camera issues and more. For instance, to run the Run Camera Troubleshooter in Windows 11 or 10, search for camera issues in the app's search bar. The Camera Troubleshooter will open. Answer the questions and follow the troubleshooting wizard for its solutions and see if they help you. List of troubleshooters in Windows Get Help app. To run troubleshooters in the Get Help app of Windows 11 or 10, search for them by name in the Get Help's search bar and click on the result. Get Help includes the following troubleshooters. Clicking on the links will give you detailed information about each one. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.